Have you ever heard your teenager says after a private math lesson that she missed her teacher? That's exactly what I heard this week from my daughter Mika when she finished the lesson with her teacher of the last 3 years, Mr. Golan. From a girl who cried before and after math tests, she became an outstanding student in 5 units. But not only that, she excels in all subjects because at Yeda, they really learn how to learn. Mr. Golan taught her how to deal with stress and gave her tools that made her believe in herself. I've recommended Mr. Golan, to so many friends, and the same thing happened to all of them. And when they ask me how much it cost, I honestly answer that I don't count. And not because I don't value money. On the contrary, because I know it's worth every penny. Thank you, Yeda. Thank you, Golan. Really, Golan, you are truly a good teacher, a teacher for life. Thank you very much.